Sweat can be a problem for us muscleheads who spend our days pumping up our quads and triceratops and our glutens. Of course, we all wash our workout-y clothes, but the gym bag kind of needs to be incinerated after a while, because, you know, cooties. But now one innovator has thrown a monkey wrench into gym bag stench. Here's Adam Yamaguchi to explain.
Throwing sweaty clothes into a zipped-up bag can expose you to a fragrance felony when you open it later. That's because the bacteria on your skin breaks sweat down into odor-causing compounds. But Mother Nature has provided a solution to fight the stink. It involves an element found in air combined with an electrical charge. I cruised down to Santa Ana, California to meet Ray Edwards and Tim Offit, two innovators who use natural science to create a self-cleaning gym bag called Paqsule.
How do you create a bag that keeps your disgusting, sweaty clothes from smelling and filling up the room?
It's actually using O3 and UV lights as a deodorizer and sanitizer.
What is O3? What does that stand for?
O3 is ozone, so we were able to reproduce ozone in our device.
The air that we breathe has O2 oxygen in it naturally, and what happens is when you apply electrical charges to that O2, it separates the O2 atoms into separate atoms, and they come back together as O3, as 3 molecules.
Whenever there's a lightning storm or, it rains, the day after, all the pollution is gone. And it's that natural effect where the O3 attaches itself to all of the bacteria and disintegrates it from a molecular level, and then turns back to oxygen after that.
It's a very powerful way of addressing pathogens, and that's why you get that fresh, clean smell after ozone is applied in those environments.
Ray and Tim's idea is basically this. Use ambient air inside a closed gym bag. Run it through their ozone generator, which adds an electrical charge that converts the air to O3 ozone, and let the self-cleaning magic happen.
This is actually where the ozone is outputted. So there's a fan in here that actually blows the ozone out, and then it uses the ambient air in the bag to turn it to O3.
So this O3 device sits in the corner of this bag, and it essentially fills the bag with this bacteria-fighting ozone.
That's correct.
We also talked about UV.
That's right. The UV lights, when they zap the bacteria, destroy the bacterial wall. That neutralizes the bacteria and helps remove the odor in the garments that are placed inside the bag.
I wanted to put the bag to the test.
These are, by the way, our producer Molly's smelly gym clothes.
Molly's generously offered her odor to us.
Yeah.
So we'll solve them for her.
My stuff didn't smell bad enough, so we had to go with her stuff.
That's funny.
We set the sanitizing cycle for 25 minutes. Ray and Tim showed me around their office and fulfillment center while we waited.
All right, Molly, we got your gear. Fresh and ready to go.
Not bad.
Not bad.
The bag has a separate compartment for stinky shoes and charging ports for your personal devices when you're on the go.
There's nothing you haven't thought of. There's a lot happening here.
There's a lot happening.